Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Solution. This is episode 7 of our Excel Beginner to Advanced series. In the last episode, we learned how to create and customize chart to make our data visual. But today we are going to explore one of the most powerful tools for making data speak for itself, conditional formatting. And as always, the link to full playlist of this series in the descriptions and pin comment. Don't miss it. If you want to master Excel step by step. Part 1. What is the conditional formatting? Conditional formatting automatically changes the look of a cell, like its color, font or style, based on the value inside it. In simple words, Excel highlights important information for you. For example, sales above $500 can turn green, sales below $200 can turn red. This way your data instantly shows you what's important. Part 2. Applying basic rules. Let's try it out. Number 1. Select your data. Number 2. Go to the Home tab. Conditional formatting. Number 3. Choose a rule. For example, highlight sales greater than 500. Boom, all cells above 500 are instantly highlighted. Part 3. Top bottom rules and data bars. Conditional formatting has more than just greater than or less than rules. Top 10 items, bottom 10 items. Quickly highlight best and worst performers. Data bars. Fill cells with colored bars that visually represent numbers. Color scales. Use a gradients to show high to low values at a glance. Icon sets. Add arrows, flags or traffic lights to instantly spot trends. These features make your sheet look professional and easy to read. Part 4. Custom conditional formatting. Now here's where it gets really interesting. You can create your own rules using formulas. Example. Use a formula like is equal to mod under bracket row open bracket close bracket column 2 is equal to 0 to highlight every alternate row automatically. Or is equal to v2 greater than average under bracket $v$2 colon $v$10 to highlight values above average. Part 5. Practical example. Imagine you are managing employees' sales performance. Green sales for top performers, yellow for average, red for below target. In just a second, you have turned a boring table into a performance dashboard. So in this episode, you learned how to use conditional formatting to highlight key informations automatically. In episode 8, we will step into the intermediate level of Excel, starting with data validations and drop-down list. This will take your spreadsheets from simple to interactive. Remember, this is just one step in our full Beginner to Advanced series. The complete playlist link is in the descriptions and pin comment. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to Data Solution and press the bell icon so you don't miss the votes coming next. See you in episode 8.